What's up YouTube, Bizmath here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to bring you all along with me to the property that I bought. You remember this video over here? The video of me buying a property through wholesaling real estate because my buyer backed out and different things. So I ended up closing on the property myself. I'm going to give you all an update. I'm actually going to go to the house and you all get to take a look at how the previous owners left the house. And then also, I'll take some photos of the property because I'm actually going to list it on my own for sale by owner on the MLS and different websites like Realtor, Zillow, Redfin, and different things like that. So I'm just going to head over there so I can take pictures of it after, everything's been out and just update you all on what I plan to do with the property. Basically, see if I can actually sell it for sale by owner on the MLS because I know that will give me more exposure to this property because I have reached out to a ton of buyers. But as you all saw in the last video, it's a huge project. So I'm actually gonna drive over there right now and bring you all along. So if you all don't mind, just like this video, subscribe, comment down below on what you think I should do with this property. And then also check my online course if you're interested in that. I hope you all are having an amazing day. So let's head over to the house. All right, everyone, so we're at the house right now. As you all can see, you remember this house. So let's actually go inside and I'll show you all how it looks after the sellers left. I already looked in it, so I already know how it looks, but I just want to show you all. So the yard is still pretty good. Let's just hop inside. All right, you all, here we are. As you all can see, everything is out, everything is empty. Everything is out right here. Seems like no one is taking this house. Even took the light bulbs. Lights still work. Left the trash here, so I just have to take care of that. Kitchen, they took the appliances. All right. And he left the water heater, but took the washer and dryer. All right, here's the backyard, y'all. As you all can see, they just cleared out everything. There's actually nothing. I thought they would leave like, some sort of furniture, but they did leave some trash. Other than that, it's pretty cleared out, you all. So right now, I'm going to take some photos and then with this camera so I can have a better quality and then post it on the MLS. All right, let's take these photos. So now I'm back home. This is actually the next day, later in the evening, and I just wanted to let you all know exactly what I plan to do with this house. And I'm just documenting this all for you all on YouTube. This deal may just be a horrible deal for me. It may completely fail, but I'm just showing you all what I'm doing with this property in order to move it. I may sell it. I may still find a cash buyer. I may do the flip myself. I may demolish the property and just sell the land. There's different exit strategies that I'm thinking about doing with this property. So right now though, I taken pictures of the property like I told you all before, and so now I'm actually going to use a website and just talk with you all just to see, just to talk about wholesaling in general while I'm setting this up, and for you all to see exactly what I'm going to do with this property, because I'm actually planning to just list it for sale by owner and just use a website that puts it on the MLS. It also puts the property on like Zillow, Redfin, Realtor, and all these things. And I just want to show you all the website I use. All right, you all. So I got this website actually from someone, a cash buyer who does a little bit of wholesaling, and he told me, if you're watching this, shout out to you. List with Freedom. So List with Freedom is a website where you can order a new listing. So they give you access to MLS, or give you a contact, a person who's on the MLS, and you can just list a property for you. So right here, as you all can see, they have different tiers. So they have silver, gold, platinum, and platinum plus. Listing terms 6 months to 12 months. I can have up to 25 photos if I want to do this. I can have max photos. I think most likely I'll do one of these two because I want to put a good amount of photos. All of these are checked up here, so it's listed on realtor.com, Zillow, and top websites. That's what we want. You get all buyer leads, sell your own, pay no commissions. You decide buyer's agent's commission. So let's say another person is looking at the property, but they are working with a buyer's their own realtor. I would most likely set it up and say that, hey, your buyer would have to, your client will have to pay your commission fees. I'm not paying it. And different things like that. Require listing forms, disclosures, and all the legalities with that. I mean, I can just log into Zillow and list it, right? But I want it to be on the MLS so everyone can see, so they can put it on all the websites and different things like that. Number of changes, I can have a limited number of changes. Your contact info in MLS. I get customer service. I can cancel anytime. I like this weekly activity report. So it's optional at $19 extra, optional $19. Here you get it unlimited. So that's something that seems pretty cool. And then they have open houses where you can set up open houses. Showing assist. I don't exactly know what that is, but post your virtual tour and different things like that. I think between these two, I don't think I'm going to have more than 25 photos. I may, so this may be my better option, but I like having this weekly activity report, but this is an optional thing for just $19. So that's a possibility. I think for me, I'm just going to get this one just so I can know exactly what I can do. But this is only sell only. But other ones you can do sell or lease. A little bit different. But you all, let me know. I'm just documenting this journey once again. Let me know what you all would do with this property. It used to heavily stress me out so much more, like, oh my goodness, this deal fell apart. I never had a deal fall apart like this property. I don't know if I got it at a high price. I should have just, because my friend who's learning this business, he brought me this deal, and I was really trying to close it for him, just trying to make things happen. And sometimes I guess that probably blinded me from seeing, hey, the signs of this property. I mean, we did have a buyer in place, but that fell apart. And so, yeah, comment down below on what you all think I should do. You can be real with me and be like, Matthew, get out of that deal. You got to tear down that house, run. It used to stress me out. It did. But, I praise God that, I trust him that he'll take care of this property. And honestly, I'm thankful and I'm grateful that I have other sources of revenue where literally I make other revenue sources that are not only YouTube, with stocks, investments, and other businesses. But, at first it was a big chunk of cash, but the Lord has provided. But anyway, I hope you all really enjoyed this video. Subscribe, like this video. I know this was kind of more of a chill style right now, but I hope you all really enjoyed it. just being real with you guys, just documenting my whole entrepreneur journey, not only in wholesaling, but just in real estate in general. If you all are interested in any of the tools I use to find deals, click the links down below, and I'll talk to you all later. Peace.